Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. In the previous episode, we generated random numbers from 1 to 6 using the rand function. In this episode, we want to show that these numbers occur approximately with equal likelihood. So for that, let's go and simulate 60 million rolls of a die with the program that we are going to write soon. Each integer from 1 to 6 should appear approximately 10 million times. Let's go and get started. Now, as you can see, the program output shows that by scaling and shifting, we have used the random function to realistically simulate the rolling of a 6-sided die, and each side of the die has occurred almost 10 million times. That is, these numbers are almost equal to each other. And notice that in here we have used the conversion specification of %s to show the string and also to create spaces between these two strings, and this part is creating a header. Stay tuned as we go into more details of this program in the coming episodes.